shoot when I say so, say so, say so. Shoot it up, shoot it up.
Away, from the block. This shit be like this every day. This shit be like this.
And not 100 rounds. Talking pussy, get fucked, nigga throwin' down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimpin' bitches, you can fuck, she pull her panty down. I got killer young niggas with the 30 round. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. I'll take it one call, I can do it now. I just made that one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.
Yo, what's up, you doing? I'm about to rock. Y'all see what's going on. Hey man, y'all see what I'm drinking? The last few days, I know y'all been seeing me pop shit on the different bad bitches. You understand? We still gonna pop back out on that 125. Before I'm over to the boy say, man, that pop out, man, got some shit going on, man. Y'all just look man, a couple days. My folks, they with that shit. You know what I'm saying? We might pop out on the day. Let me wipe the camera down one more time. I'll see what's going on. Band show vibe. My bro, he fit. A lot of people right now, they in shock that I'm doing the things that I'm doing right now, and I'm actually shocked my damn self, like actually to be able to jump on this bike, and do crazy shit. So now they want me to jump on the band show. Boom. It's the only bench we got to run right now that I can probably get the pants off on, but we gonna pop out shit on that later on today. I'm gonna let Rock go on to close the garage. Hey bro, go on to close the garage, lock it up, bro. Go on do the thing. Oh, I guess he gotta do some shit. So, but y'all see the vibes, man. I ain't got my head, but I ain't got shit. My bro gave me one glove. And we back on, boom, boom, boom. 125 today. And I'm kinda actually glad that we kinda got it like this. Because now, I'm kinda glad because I ain't got my helmet. So, I ain't saying, I'm not, hold on, time out. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. My camera doing some extra shit. Hold on. So, yeah, but like I say, I ain't glad that I ain't got my helmet. I'm glad that the camera off the helmet and we finna ride. Y'all see I got the little case for it. This the mounting for the helmet. But, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got it on. That's probably I just see in my hand. But, what I'm trying to say, I'm glad it's not on because now, I can pass the camera around. You feel me? Instead of trying to pass my helmet around. Niggas be really wanting my helmet. Like, I be like, yo, I gotta put my shit on. That shit be hard. Or whatever. But, now that I got the camera off my helmet, I can actually pass it around and get footage of me actually on the motherfucker. And you know, I get footage of me now rather than everybody else, if that's the case. You feel me? Shit, I get everybody, but kind of like the old days, you know, I used to flip the phone around and shit like that. But right now, like I say, meantime, between time, like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna put this mount down because there's a lot of shit on my hand and I'm actually tired of holding the camera. So yeah, in the meantime, between time, y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? But even though I said that, I ain't got my little shit. I'm finna go get my shit, you feel what I'm saying? But right now, we just finna go up the street to the store or whatever. Just chill for a little minute. So my little bro house, my other bro spot, and chill for a minute. You know, we ain't going nowhere. It's just literally right out the neighborhood, probably in the next neighborhood over, you know what I'm saying? So it's okay, it's all good for right now. But if we do get out, you know, go a little farther than around this area, yo, let's go get my helmet and all that other shit. Cause look at my shoe, y'all check me out, flip flop. Y'all see what's going on. It ain't the first time, but hey man, we doing it today. We doing the bid today. It actually hot as fuck in Atlanta. If y'all ain't from Atlanta, if you from Atlanta, you might know, you know. Goddamn, cause it's 91 degrees at this motherfucker. Oh yeah, there go that KX motherfucker too. That's rock right there. Y'all see what's going on. Big 450 motherfucker. Boom. And that's not the one that I was on the other day. Boom. I was on big 21 now. But in the meantime, 20 times. I think the camera fucking up again. Y'all like, share, comment, and some motherfucking subscribe. And we're gonna get with you in just a minute.
I don't know. Yeah, I can't reach it. That's it. Oh my God, this nigga's filming. Good, man.
He talking about that. It's supposed to be like this.
You gotta do a different way but no, we
The 7.
Yeah. Oh, the 7.
Again, what's up, y'all? That boy Rock trying to get my boy Quavo issued the sauce or whatever to the drop back. What you got going on?
What you mean? My eyes are down
face.
here.
You what?
Let me teach y'all niggas how to wheel it. You feel me?
What the fuck is that?
The fucking goddamn sauce. It's got goddamn broccoli, lemon pepper, of course.
Rock, show us something, bro. Do something, bro.
Man, all right. You want to see something?
You can't hold that.
Ain't for
It's
what?
all good.
What he just did?
Yeah, you can post it.
All type of being sick.
I don't care what you do.
that's
Bite life, no life,
Listen, man.
flip life. Okay.
Stay off of goddamn vapors. You know what I'm saying? Smoke real tobacco. You know what I'm saying?
That boy Jack boy say that shit bad. Who this?
Who's Jack Boy?
Jack boy.
Is he me? I don't know him.
Hey,
man.
boy, let them folks know you just got that no slug. No, you got your grill and shit. Let them folks know what's going on. Cali,
All right, yeah,
y'all see what's going on. Hey, we just said Atlanta socks. Y'all see what's going on, Atlanta. Ankle. Cali, y'all see what's going on.
You know what I'm saying? You see these things?
LA vibe.
You see these things? You know what I mean?
What's going on?
You know what I mean? Take your time, cameraman. You dig what I'm saying?
Take my
And
time.
get the striations of the goddamn calf muscles. You feel me? I'll run away from a nigga real quick with a gun. You know what I mean? Real quick. I'll be like, you know what I mean?
Do it
Real
again.
quick.
Do it again.
I just did it. You missed it.
Do it again. Do it again.
Missed it.
I need it again. I ain't missed it. I got it. I just need you again. He camera ain't
Bro,
gonna
you gotta rewind the camera. It just happened. You know what I mean? It just happened.
Are you saying the prank when he was at the gas station, ran out of the gas station?
Slim Jim and everything.
Hey, he dropped up and down, got his ass.
He ran with the Slim Jim and everything.
What you were thinking about, Rock? Talk to him.
About when?
When you ran out the gas station, when YB told you the Polo was outside.
Oh.
You was in the gas station, you know what I'm talking
Oh, I was exercising my exercises.
about? We exercising.
So like you know what I'm saying? Okay, listen. For you, I like to call hoes bitches, but hoes like to be called hoes. I'm not a judger.
no,
in that
no
department.
disrespect. Tell
Listen,
them no disrespect.
fucking disrespect. How the fuck? I don't need your respect. You know what I mean? So I can disrespect you. You know what I mean? You're disrespecting me right now. I didn't ask to be on camera. The camera asked to be on me. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Why I gotta respect the fuck?
Okay. Very disrespectful, yeah.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And get the neighbors goddamn checking it out too. You know what I mean? Them motherfuckers think they think they really forgot something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Shit get tricky.
You didn't go back out.
Look, he talking about shit that get tricky.
And shit get TikTok. Hey yo, check my new dance move on TikTok. You feel me? It's rock.tiktok. Fuck it. I mean, somebody make me a TikTok account. You feel me? And you feel me? And let's get some money. You dig? You know what I mean? Pimping in charge instead of me. Yeah, man. In front of the kids. You know what I mean? Church is in charge. You dig it? So TikTok is it's called a SS and an S. You know what I mean? And Lord, how do we love them triple S's? Or is it super? Oh, double S's. But this is a triple S. So this is a S 2.0. I'll wait. Anyway, the TikTok dance is a SS and an S. It's called a shimmy, and a sham. And I'll demonstrate. Shimmy, shimmy, and a sham. One more time. You know what I mean? And a shimmy. Oh, excuse me. Shimmy. Get the feet, cameraman. Feet. Camera guy. We're gonna start all over. Yeah, thank you, camera. Shimmy, and a sham. TikTok money.
Do it one more time. I ain't get your Charlem shape part. Your little
We're
shape.
living in the world of goddamn rewind. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You just double tap on the left side or the right side, depending on which angle or Android you niggas are using. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And listen, you know what I mean? Now, normally I would not be out here drinking beer, but due to the climate of the condition, I'm not able to go to church. You know what I mean? And Lord, without church in my life, things are just going astray. And it's not right. You know what I mean?
The day ain't Sunday, bro.
Oh.
Or Wednesday.
Oh, every day's the Lord's day to me, you heathen. Every day's Sunday to me.
It ain't about Sunday. It's about. These say church. So when you go to church,
what did you do with my Bible?
What's your Bible?
But no, I turn this shit on and off, man. Don't ever get it twisted, man. A nigga really, really here, man. You feel me? What you need to know, man? Come on, talk to me, man. Okay, cut that shit off when I work this. Okay. Yeah, man. So yeah. I turn this shit on and off, man. Nigga really, really do this. Tell me what you need to know, man.
Hey, look, y'all. Y'all see he fucked up. Hey, Queen. You think he fucked up? Yeah, that's
I dare y'all to do drugs. I dare. Listen.
Come on, bro. Hold up.
Listen.
Look, lit. I don't hear now.
You heard it? He said commitment. Commitment. I am committed.
I don't
I'm committed.
So listen. I think he can hold himself on the bike right now.
Listen.
Can you hold yourself on the bike? Yeah, I seen him in the other video. So you seen him.
I may. Right I have permission.
You been had permission. Let's see what you can do.
He lit too now.
See what, he got option. Oh, he got the 450, yo. He about to pull that big boy out. No, let's see. We're gonna get back with y'all. Let me start this video.
It's on. Oh yeah, it's recording right now. And we recording. Let's go.
Like, we'll cut it out though. Cut it out.
You don't got that much battery? I got you, B.
This shit be like this every day. This shit be like this.
And not 100 rounds. Talking pussy, get fucked, nigga, gonna down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimpin' bitches, you can fuck, she roll a panty down. I got killer young niggas with the 30 round. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. I'll take it one call, I can do it now. I just made it one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.